If you're looking for the best pasta salad made with mayo, this really is it. Made with a touch of Dijon mustard and apple cider vinegar, which you really don't taste, red onions, 8 ounces of tricolored rotini, which is 2.5 cups, not a full box, and a sweet Aloha bell pepper. The beautiful pepper is both red and yellow, which gives the pasta salad wonderful color variation and flavor, especially since every bite has the tiny minced red onion as well. While the 2.5 cups of pasta are boiling, cut the onion and bell pepper into very small minced pieces as evenly as possible, since these two flavors dominate each bite. Rinse the cooked pasta in cold water to stop the cooking and to cool slightly. Blot dry and pour into a large mixing bowl. Add 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of minced red onion, 1 finely chopped bell pepper, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and fold well but gently. Then cover and refrigerate. I guarantee you that whoever tastes this will say, "This is the best pasta salad I have ever tasted." And you gotta make this. And to see all of my videos, don't forget to click subscribe.